Hello, today's a little something different. I want to show you what I ordered from Tivisiy. Let's see, they are, let me open them up. I'm so excited about this. So what these are 3D wood carvings that are lit. And they're very well packaged. I got 3 of them. Oh, I can see one of them already. Sorry about that. Okay, so now, sorry, my cat's over here. What do you want? Okay, so these are from HiPark, the retailer HiPark. And all of these designs are HiPark's designs, but you order them on Tivisiy.com. And I'll put a link below and a coupon code. So, let's see. And make sure you go through the link that will be below because you want to order from, I can't see anything. These lights are bright. You want to support purchasing from genuine sources. This is so cute. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is the HiPark's design of the hummingbird. You can see about how big it is that way. Hopefully that, I cannot see what I'm filming because my camera is turned around the other way. So hopefully, hopefully that is showing up on camera. Oh, look at that design. That is so beautiful and creative. Has a little scene inside the hummingbird. And it does light up, and you get the cord with it, of course. Well, they have very good packaging. Okay. So you have the cord, which is a pretty long cord, and the switch. And it does have a USB plug-in, so I'm going to have to find something to do that with, which I can do. I'll have to shut the camera off. So I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything here because these are very special products. Okay. So there is the hummingbird. I got that one for myself. And it has, what is this? Oh, it has a little who we are. Oh, look. Okay, so better planet, better life. We're on our way. This is what it has on the back. They're conscious of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnerships with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the plants, I don't know, I should put my glasses on. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we commit giving a nonprofit organization. We are committed giving to nonprofit organizations to help make the planet a better place. Thank you for supporting HiPark and supporting our planet. Get your exclusive offer. Okay, I do have a discount code that I'm going to include. So there's the little hummingbird. And I'll get a better shot of all of these once they're all unboxed here. So I'm very happy with the hummingbird. Let me show it to you again. Hopefully it's showing up. If not, I'll get a better take on everything here in a little bit. And I will also plug them in so you can see. Oh, the seahorse. Here's the inside of the box and the outside. All these seahorses are exquisite. If you don't like any, I don't know how you would not like any of these, but they just would make great gifts for anyone. So there's the seahorse. Very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheaply made at all. Look at this little, oh my gosh. I mean, it has their logo on the back. They stand up very nice. Oh, I just love these. These are beautiful. Wow. I'll do a better shot on these. I'll get them lit up, each one individually. Okay. This one is gorgeous as well. And let me put it back in the box so you can see how it looks. You can see like through the little window. This one I got from my sister. Her birthday's coming up. And I bet this is recycled paper. Recycled packaging. Let's see, is it recycled packaging? It doesn't say, but it feels like it is. It's very nice. So my sister lives in North Dakota, and they're a big bison fan. Of course, they have wild bison out there and all that. So I can't believe I found a bison light. This is awesome. She is going to love this. Okay, so I'm going to give kudos to HiPark's design team and the quality of the product. I mean, the little designs in here, I'm trying to like bend them and they don't bend. And you can tell that the paints are like a sustainable paint. They're not fake looking. They look like something that came from the earth. This is gorgeous. I can't wait to give this to her. This is the bison. And you know what? Mother's Day's coming up. My sister's birthday's close. This hummingbird would make a great Mother's Day gift. All you kids out there, all you people out there are lucky enough to still have your mother around. This would make a great Mother's Day gift. Just saying. All right, so let me turn the camera off and I'll get these lit up and shots of more detail. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've turned the lights off, closed the curtain, and here is the hummingbird. It has a scene in wood cutting. Look at the detail. I mean, there's like little trees in there. Excuse me, little trees. Whole environmental scene in this one wood carving hummingbird light. It's exquisite. Oh, okay. This would be the best gift for any family member or friend. And each product has a different version. You can get it to where it syncs with music. The lights will sync with music. It's with a light, without a light. It's an LED light version, sound activated LED light version. Let's see. I mean, you could put these in your home, in your office, bars or offices. Wouldn't this be relaxing for like a massage therapist office? That would be nice. Maybe just a lit one. It's suitable for any occasion. You could get it for Christmas, Easter, Mother's Day, of course, birthdays, anniversaries, any special occasion, or even just to say, hey, thinking about you. Okay, so let me turn the light on this so you can see. No, I don't have a very great light. Alright, so there's the front. There's the top. You can see all the layers that make up the design. Here's the back. It's not wobbly at all. It's pretty sturdy in the way it stands. I'm in love with this hummingbird. Alright, so let me get the seahorses next. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the seahorse. Such intricate... Look, there's seahorses in the seahorse. Okay, and there it is with the flash on so you can see a little bit better. Look at this. This is so cool. It's beautiful. Okay. Shoot, you could even, if this wasn't on here, or if it was, you could even have it from the back. And it has the switch here to turn it off and on. I love the paints, and they're so natural looking. There's nothing fake looking at all. I'm very pleased with this. I'll get the bison next. So there it is again with it off. Okay, bison is next. Hold on. Okay, here's the bison. These are so unique and exquisitely made. I just love these. I mean, I love the concept. There's a whole world inside of this one little wood carving. It's amazing. Look at that. There's a whole world going on in there. I mean, I would even think that these would go good in a baby's room. Because they could, like, you could, like, set it next to their crib or something. And if they wake up, they could look in there and engages their mind with all the details and the different colors and designs. Little layers. Sorry, I put my finger right in front of it. Yeah, these. So let me try to fix so you can see like how big they are. Well, here's my hand. So they're not ginormous, so they're not going to take up a lot of space, but they're not real teeny tiny either. In my opinion, they're the perfect size. All right, now I'm going to put them all out together, and so you can see each one. So hold on. Okay, so here they all are. I've put them on a white rug so they have more contrast here. There's the hummingbird. Love it. There's the bison. Love it. And the seahorse. Love it. They have other designs. They have 6 pages of different designs of these wood carving lamps by HiParks. And remember to please buy from genuine sources, which would mean going to the link below. And I also put the coupon code or discount code, I'm not sure. But anyway, it is AUDREA15. I will put it in there and on the screen as well. I am so happy with these. Thank you.